Hi, welcome to Inspire DIY. My name is Max, and today I want to share with you my new favorite sourcing tool for Amazon retail, online, or wholesale arbitrage. And before we begin, I just want to mention that, as full disclosure, I'm not affiliated with this software by all means. I'm not even receiving any commission from them. They never mention anything about making video for them. So this is just based off my research and actually using this tool for 2 weeks. And so far, I've been very happy with it, the result, and it just really improved my workflow process and everything. And in terms of like the decision making process for which products to buy, and whether there's even like hazmat checking and all those stuff. So let's jump right into it. Now, if you've been following my channels for a while, you know that I've been an Amazon seller since last year, and I continuously look for different ways of sourcing and different methods in order to basically minimize my time of actually doing the sourcing and making decisions, and also obviously trying to maximize the profit and the revenue that I'll make from selecting the products that I want to buy. Trying to basically show you guys with this certain software. It's called Asensen. So as I said, I'm not affiliated with them, and you can see that I'm still on the trial phase as well. Like, I only started using this for 2 weeks, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what it does really well and what can sort of this software kind of have this disadvantage on compared to other software. And I think the best software to compare against Asensen would probably be the Buybot Pro, and I used that in the past as well. While I find it to be good in certain ways, there are certain things that I didn't like about it, which is why I switched over to Asensen, which the Scan Easy mobile app on the phone works a little bit better than Buybot Pro. So I'm going to be running through what exactly it does for this particular software. Okay, so let's say if you're in the stores or your wholesale sells the brand Sukin. This is brand that I've been selling for a while as well, and I'm just gonna select the one right in front just to show you guys exactly what this software does. So it's basically an extension that you add onto your Brave Chrome browser or whatever, and it'll tell you exactly how much profit you'll be making. So let's say this product probably costs like $7 based on the wholesale. So you're making profit only $1.76. So it's not too much. It really depends on the product you buy, and then based on how comfortable you are with the profit margins and everything. And over on the right side, you see that's bestseller ranking, and it tells you the average, like based on the 30 days, the 90 days, and 180 days. And this is the biggest thing to why you need software like this. Like originally, I used to use Keepa to know the sales rank, but if you subscribe to Keepa Pro, like the Pro version, you know that to get all these average sales rank, it actually costs you, I don't remember, like 10 euros or something. But this software actually integrated Keepa within here, so it's crazy because they put everything into this one tiny box for you, and you can see like all the graphing and everything, like where the buy box used to be, and the average cost per throughout like the history of selling on this product. And best of all is like this product for the Pro version is only costing me $149, whereas when I used to use Buybot Pro, it costs like $34 without the safeguard. And safeguard is one of those Buybot Pro features in case your account gets like disabled or something like that, and then they'll try to help you out, which is a really good feature, but you have to pay additional for that as well. But with this software, it just shows you like exactly, okay, if you are eligible to sell this particular product without having to go into your Amazon seller and having to input individual UPC or ASIN just to check if you're eligible to sell the product. And see, it tells you exactly if you can sell this product, if this product is classified as a hazmat. So I'm trying to think of a product that I had in the past. So let's go to perfume or something, because usually these are all hazmat related product. Let's see if it shows. Perfect. So here it shows right away that this is classified as a hazmat, so you can't sell this unless you obviously go through all the process, which I don't really recommend. And best of all is it even tells you if Amazon was on the listing. So you kind of have to set up in some certain ways. So I don't remember my setup exactly. I did go through the inbound shipping cost, the average monthly storage and everything. So there's a little settings that you have to tweak to your obviously how you want to use this software, because everyone uses it for different reasons. And it tells you all these information. Like, I think I also had it set up if it'll give me an alert on my phone app if it goes over like certain ranking or something like that. Now it gets even better, because when you look at the phone app, this is the phone app version. It works exactly the same as the BuyBot Pro mobile version, which is amazing. And also when you press like the scanning barcode, it will search for the product continuously. So let's say if you scan certain barcodes on the Amazon seller app, I even use the the barcode scanner. And sometimes when they can't find the products, the Amazon would just run into this page where you can't really find anything, and then you have to like close the tab again. Whereas this app with the barcode scanner, it'll just tell you with notification that this is not the product that's with the barcode on Amazon, and it'll keep searching more and more for you without having to back tap, click tab to exit every single time and come back. And this is where this software really excels, because as someone who does both wholesale and retail arbitrage, like when I go into the stores, like compared to BuyBot Pro, I was able to find more products. For some reason with BuyBot Pro, they seem to be having a bit of problem with certain products that are UPC barcode as opposed to the ASINs. And sometimes I can't find the products in the stores, even though I know that this product I sold in the past. And when I open the Amazon seller app, it actually works just fine. So I don't know why it doesn't work for the BuyBot Pro, but this app on the Easy Mobile Scan or whatever they call it on ASIN Send works perfectly. I think, okay, so one of the biggest drawback of using this software, and you probably noticed already, is their estimated sales. So if I were to go into products that are more popular here, open up something a little bit more. So with products that are very, very low in terms of the bestseller ranking, they tell you the estimated sales. And I'm not 100% sure if this number is accurate, because I mean the estimated sales, because obviously I've never sold this product, so I can't really prove it if it's actually making like 11,000 sales. Most likely they are. But in certain products that are like for bestseller ranking of 8,100, which isn't that high, they're not really giving me the information for the estimated sales for some reason. And I know it's obviously estimated, so you can still use other website like Jungle Scout Estimator or something to get sort of an idea of how much they're actually selling per month. But for some reason this app doesn't do it, even though it's like right there, but it said not applicable. And I do know that with this, let's say this rank of 8,100 for a beauty category in Canada, it's actually selling at least, I don't know, like 4 to 5 units for sure, because I sold something that are in beauty category for like even 16,000 ranking. It's still selling like at least 1 to 2 units per month for sure. So I don't know why it's not really giving that information, even though it's supposed to. But yeah, so this is probably the biggest drawback, but otherwise this software works perfectly. It's very clean. Like when I used to use BuyBot Pro, it tells me a lot of information that I kind of like. I kind of don't, because it's just kind of like very cluttering and like a lot slower to load compared to this one that puts everything into that one tiny box for you, and like it gives you the alert if some like Amazon is on the listing or something. One of the other drawbacks, the link to the estimated sales, is obviously like compared to BuyBot Pro that I used to use, they tell me exactly based on the ranking of how much they're estimating to sell by month. So you see that like I don't have the BuyBot Pro right now, but like compared to like in December, you see that in June the estimated sale for this certain products has dropped by 10 units or something. They'll give me those information. Whereas this product is kind of like you have to be a little bit more experienced sellers in this sense, because you kind of have to get a sense of like the best seller ranking, and then how much the estimated sale would be. But otherwise, this product works perfectly. Again, I'm not afraid with them. I'm still on a trial, and you know what? If there's like a free program, I'll probably put like some links down below or something. But otherwise, I have not even looked into it because I'm still on a trial. I just want to share it to you guys. I hope you give this ASIN Send a try, because I think it's really great and it works for all, like basically all the marketplace that I know. Thank you very much for watching.